Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix camera freezing issue on iPhone. First go to settings, go to general, tap on software update and download and install if any available update. If any update is available, install it. Now go to settings again, scroll down and find general, find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, delete large videos and photos to free up space. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.